With the new Sennheiser Momentum wireless headphones, you'll never lose your rhythm. With Smart Pause, just pause your content, and you'll never lose your beat.
Okay.
With the Sennheiser Smart Control app, adjust the equalizer, and choose your noise cancellation mode. With transparent hearing, you can let external sounds in.
Next train arrives in 5 minutes.
With Smart Tile technology, track your headphones, and you'll never lose them. Here, here, or here. And with auto on-off, just fold them up, and you'll never worry about losing power again.